Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
So yan share your take on the Assin North MPs say we're filing for appeal for the judgment no.
I mean tia de bi tawo ensema honorable. Honorable adua enwurabone yes ye do free ho. See ya na mare ho say NDC as a political party wo munya kwanya so wo nka nsem a the way on besi aka wo nsem e de no ma nwonwan akeka na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo His Excellency bae ontimi mfa ne nsam point bibi so hey eno ma Nana Danko Akufo-Addo aye no okroma in the history of this country be asida unprecedented in the history of this country maybe Amekase Nana Danko Akufo-Addo will go down as the best statesman ever in the history of this country under the first, second, third and fourth republic of Ghana because social normal pa Nana Danko Akufo-Addo aye is unprecedented. Ezama Akaza main point in here ekroma in the history of this country under 8 years of NDC administration 2 interchanges per normal in the history of the about 5 interchanges simultaneously across Wokroma ebin see that in the history of this country 5 interchanges across Wokroma so also member bidia in the history of this country since Kwame Nkrumah time besi NDC abraso ansa no mu free power no na ambulances e Wokroma na 54 dodo na na nya adwuma say you were 305 ambulances Wokroma every constituency ambulance region bia eso ambulance mebo na mami you see in the issue of this country na no wo mo kwatena ba bi koye yi bi say factory say yes in wo mo ye wo mo evaluation this and mo say yes 9 pe ye buza am say in the issue of this country under the even fourth republic o man panyini ben na atimi asi 9 factory Wokroma ye buza o ma no o mte wo obi okuja to abla kwa ye buza no so obodi mi obo 2 person ba o mu si. They assuming without admitting said even Naya in the history of this country under the fourth republic they've been see that about 105 your friends say factories and also across the country district and the factory okwa mikroma just so constituency pre-frost Ghana okwa apama there's a pharmaceutical you on ma if so person recite metimi recite actually ma wahunu say indeed and some na can empty promises and then lies they said the former president catch say onya second chance on atro and make empty promises it is all better na catch say unhwe yentimi point a eno ma bebre na betimi appoint eno ma bebre and betimi appoint including said the American education sector go to the various secondary schools across the country the massive infrastructure project across various secondary schools across the country it is all better now because of a year unimu anu akache say onim ye recite bi nchiraw so unimu akache say ye recite bi nchiraw the greatest ever policy the greatest the greatest ever policy
honorable Bajo dey betray wo dey troto ho woni pen age me pen yi troto ho no mai troto ho no na oye ya na fe wa be react
the greatest ever policy happened to Ghanaians and I say Africans the free senior school even see that and na e koso Wokroma etu ka se yam point a wo se yam point a wo se yantimi point ya o ka se na amanfo musi school da na na amanfo tidua it's better so obetena duase na wanya nimde danse danse wona ntimi ntua school fees former president John Dramani Mahama muku free education and chief police anim na no omoteti so ade chief police anim better na warazia be president meboa it is better senia akola kora betena duase na watimi anya nimde danse danse wona nipa kro no ontimi nya skantua enko enti all these things are good things like excellency the president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo dia beto Ghana for so and na said the American say we call the various assembly plant amount for the beba foreign investors Nissan ne Toyota ne Sinotrack mo ne ho omo nyina abeye assembly plant wa under NDC ya omo de your friends business people dum so beto yeso obi ebe invest wa because of said the managers that time the managers of the economy no mo competent you know messing up this country and now His Excellency the president is dealing with the mess amumu creating Wokroma he's dealing with it yeah now what didn't no maguku akwamu a ukọ ba bia obeko bia obehu His Excellency the president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne nsanu nyuma across every village across the country ubenya akwala woko free education ubenya bia woko free education woko district bia ambulances be bia eko it is obetran no na uni asem kana bia opese ukeka nsem bi to say the former president kai say ye ba ya ye di atro kakra ne aka no kora na enya ha say na abeba be kasa asem no kan yesusu ebe expose you say ensem na wo kan blatant falsehood it doesn't exist eti ma me dia kan say Honorable ka say yentimi fan MPP into NDC no kura nyame yentimi fan toto because NDC ba say bi on be mess up MPP ba ye be hye yes nyuma de normal tutu akwam e magana ni bia say indeed e normal say ni na his excellency the president na say MPP for ba yetimi aye ye nya obi aye be ba ko kansem na china timi ko kasem the free education be ba day students be nya access to na September 2016 GSF release fees for borders any day students at the end of the day we say oh ye free education yen set and control no yen kansem a enimu nkyere Ghanaians we are always honest to Ghanaians ye catch and Ghanaians say ye be ye we are ye deliver on it about 90% of our promises are you make it to Ghanaians ye gusu a ye deliver eti honorable no kura nyame enum say open comparison now bana ye idia ye betimi a church nsem bebre ye ti kroma na mo fa teachers in 2014 mo fa o mo manti o mo ka 2016 June amode letters course o mo nsensan na o mo nka say mo adwuma 3 months na mo tu 3 months say mo ko opposition enti am ka say the weakest opposition party enya no kroma ye NDC no mo ko opposition am ko say these same teachers at this on demonstration say o musika come since 2014 meanwhile so mo na mo ye am the letters course o mo nsan na mo 3 months enti say ye ka say ye de no ma egu nsan ye so a obetimi de MPP atoto NDC ontimi nya sa enti man bia makwafo NDC for de rodo rather some ne nsensam e no mo ko mo de say ka o mo ko na say but ye de ye ba say ye be hye no ma na ye de no ma atoto akwam asenof no kura nyame substantive a year NDC for us o mo dealing no mo nkan wa asem said your work and some would denounce na you say at that time I call follow who didn't terms who did insane he say me Ghana ni ya me Ghana ni me jim hutum say me Ghana ni me what he say metimi afale ya na say metimi abepre MP at that time I think in 2nd to 3rd October or so and as ade ni see oh yes ade no ka kire wo mo say na say wo mo te say afa na me denouncing papers entie bia ekire ne beba ba wo si so say wo Ghana ni ni country bia ni twaka now November and about 25th November or so and where you buy say why ya enti enne saade we yes ya opese ye ja otra na akọ opese ye ja otra na akọ say enne ye de aba de botachi ye de boba say ye di Adamu Sakande I think say onobu ya ono zo adi no ye fani no say ne ye be set as deterrent ama for because ye ntimi metra ko nkotena ba bi enkoje because say wo be ka che say Ghana for nye ya na Ghana nye no akotena ba bi no akọ naturalize on ma nenne Ghana here there because his excellency the president as say normal ma Ghana mu aye comfortable na aye wa create enabling environment nti me banam so ma ba betrem na ma ba be dibi na wo ba ya wo meka uno kreso so wo mu so wo nsan kan kire Ghanaians
me denka madwen ne senka yenye mra un denounce ya don't come un denounce ya don't come minim how me share them read that particular aspect of the constitution no. But un denounce ya why do you have to come and say ma fa pepa na fe na migusu a meye process you want no unye now and why ye then you come that you are a fully Ghanaian who no allegiance to any other country e do ba be file
amendment of the constitution
an amendment who no ba na wo so ba
no the niawu kanu for it say ebejinasa no it calls for SSA yensi samra
okay
and the name says say namra no aka
because say the back and forth
say no near hono akoti say duanu bu bambu ye na da form
it say the ebi no ye say ya start here you say a constitution yes say I say e beto atwene be
constitution no grade ye bi no grade enka ye ntutuni na ye fufuro e tere say amamu a ye wo mu say no enhi asutwi mun enya mun amoye amamu enhi asutwi ba
enya ka de atwam
na mu grade ye asutwi mu simu wanyansa no ye bibi frame okroma akoda constitution no kra akita e be say 40 years mame
let me tell you something say honorable kasa asem we say constitution omo kwacho omo frɛ ya ma NDC as a political party should be banished from this country. Why am I saying that? Ayeti kroma that constitution na muna boldly enshrine the constitution say eduru me bia senior school enye free me boana NDC for kram constitution kram see ewomo and now hold on and what the constitution is like
the constitution was stating the category
availability of progressive and availability of natural resources natural resources ben and you're lacking progressively free at that time when NDC for workers say yentimi nya no that time available natural resource ben and you're lacking okroma
classroom amun tuminsi eno na ya
classroom ben yentimisi
na yensi classroom ne
one secondary school one teacher go school Messi go to the various secondary schools across the country.
Parliament now Minister of Energy today. We are making 1.5 billion.
Oh yeah, mami. One block no me. E-blocks no me no. Who's that E-blocks no?
1.5 billion.
So okay, various classrooms to say e dan we wo mu baako yi. Okay 1111 na. Ah, the woman nyina akọ enu 800. The whole your friend say E-blocks of the new 800. But go to the various secondary schools. They correct a single classroom say more than 1,005 across the country. More than 1,005 of them.
For where?
Go to my where I completed SHS.
Let your Minister of Education come and tell us.
Go and see propaganda here. Go to Opokwa and see.
You don't have anything, my brother. Stop that propaganda. No. Let the minister come and show us when we ask them. Why have they shown us that? What are you saying? 1,000 what?
I'm telling you, if you just go down,
minister?
Go to the various secondary schools.
It is not surprising. Sir, your minister cannot talk about the project that's completed, but leave it for propaganda. We, our ministers, talk and show, and we have our indications. So you
allow me to talk.
No.
Let me talk.
Saying, the minister must when that's not it. When you are being led by a lazy government and is trying to put in some propaganda, you must stop that lazy government immediately.
You are lazy.
You must stop it.
Okay.
The Minister of Education, is it dead? He should come and tell us the schools that he has completed the project. Let us put it on record and leave it out of propaganda. We have our books. Go and take us on that. That's what I'm telling you. I say, let me give you what NDC has done.
When I give you your second,
this lazy government.
Project. You see, some project completing Oklahoma. Oh, honorable.
Did you give the student textbooks?
Honorable. I know. I'm very good in these things. Very good in these things. I'm very good in these things. Putting your case across. Wait for your time. Let me put it across. Why don't you wait?
Look, what is the minister of Education?
Are you a minister?
He should go there.
Are you a minister yourself?
And show us why he has.
Are you a minister yourself?
I've been a member of parliament, so I know the chamber. You have not been assemblyman, so you don't know what is politics.
You see, that's the insult that John Mama used to insult us.
Anyway.
Mommy,
what you doing?
David, I'll try to some stuff.
And so then, so, and today can say, Sauka say, you need rich. Now, may catch also go to the various secondary schools across the country. Ashanti region, roads. The kind of roads infrastructure. What did you mention? Oh, yes. Mammy, what I saw him swam around. Okay, some crowd maybe boots are Friday. Yen na ya na mo na kwan na te say ene ete say it means I mean one meet obi ka say fix the country NDC for say fix the country ye quiet demonstration do we need NDC to tell His Excellency the President so on fix the country ana ya to abana na man na dan kwa akufo nim say NDC are messing up this country it will fix it so we don't need NDC to tell us to fix the country. Fix the country as someone and someone okay metamaso and someone okay say oko face the country and someone see be roads it be education it be employment and this normal and this as a political party e be catch Ghanaian say roads enye e okroma na me kwa the demonstration no mo ye no kwa na me kwa me hudiri me they say NDC believe in demonstration and the former president catch say he doesn't believe in demonstrations. He told Ghanaians say he doesn't believe in demonstrations. And now what question of what is on demonstration? And now you believe in demonstration?
Let me be say honorable Assin North MP, former Assin North MP. Dear Abbey, no.
Yes, on our coffee and I'm so me
honorable the same thing. I'm asking you again. Say a benya effect be in his on his political career.
Who's a baby one? Yes, my brother, baby, or got the infano. But you say benya effect or say nya effect o ya de nya yasem said you once upon a time say nya effect will be so is effect no esa osusu nya bi because obi crowd o 2 years o ye jeli 2 years amebwa it is say benya effect on so say nya effect on so no ya de nya yasem ye asem de say nipa no wanfa mra kwan so ene obedi member of parliament eti kwan ye ofa so enya mra kwan enya nguna kwan no ye nyini free on ye mfa obi a wo ye Ghana ni mapa ye de ni si akonya so ye yie no ye fa ni akonya this akonya eto a this ye bia pre de se konkono ayi MP ya ye tu na de so onye de se konkono eti ni ye tu na de so ni wo ye de se konkono a e ko na di akonya no eti dia kan say ye de say effect o say ni effect o ye de nya yasem ye de ne say seat no na nkenya nipa ye say de se konkron e di seat no e ma no afei na de se konkron na ba di ade de se konkron na afei na ase no ofofo beto aba ma no abedi ade pa anase wa ba bedi ade no wa ye no mapa amom eti ma me nua be me ono abo asemi wa mama anti bi afro e be me you because nsam o ka no watu futo na agu gane asani nsam o ka nyina no eye rodo rada sam sabi oboni siremu na wo keka oboni siremu because ye tia na be ka che say ye ba ye nya no ma ensem fata John Dramani Mama former president tama Nana Dankwa then candidate Nana do oko Western region 2016 oko e no ka che info ne say akwan ni nyina anye sometimes na former president what the helicopter na eko campaign oka che say akwan nyina anya wo say no order o win elections oko na Western for say akwan o makwan nyina anye na as a former president atoro na da bia ye kase wodi kire Ghana for no wodi kire eni ekwa na eka ono akra age atum say ono no oti akonya so no odi atoro kire Ghana for ene ye mana wako adujama was say Ghana was if I get the second chance I will not lie or give empty promises again adujama tama no omoye omo promise say omoye no wabedi 2020 no o catch him say you will not lie or give empty promises again I can google it Ghana we be da ho o de okwa o be check o check the see a o be hu say na e be ya magje dey say de bia me catch na hu mama wada ma check sense wuntimi a me ni sesi ana me de amano so etidi aka say ye ni atron che Ghana for we are always honest to Ghanaians and someone ye catch am say be ye no ne ye say bi o ye nkwa nkofa bibi foforo bi meshem na nkwa ye say ya nkase ye be ye we eni ye we and the school asem ye and this for mu problem pa ba ko ye free education etu ka free education pe no manya ayi an na say nkola nkwa nya ba bi na me tama me kokko no ngo ma 2003 first year me da classroom sa akopem say me ko second year that time no free ni entu school fees na best ni wo that time kra no ba bia wo benya adakra na wunya enye kono ngo odumase kwa various secondary schools across the even 2016 yeah just 2016 yeah now ko dwaben secondary school na omo complain and some makers that time na free education wo and free education abana look at nipa dodo aye ye do omo wura free education and nipa 2 million and enjoy free education the greatest ever policy etu better na mpese ututum na o kan samwa ya momotu aban so ne da bia na omo complain amafo complain so omo ntimi nya sika kran fan school fees and ya ni free what honorable first enka o be kofie na ya salary ya be diska kotua secondary school fees and we nyina wanya sa opportunity we he says so be bo aban na baso no wo mo obi anye propaganda ni mischief na no ana mbetra se mbo propel se ne be ama etimidi manusi no ye be sere Ghana fo ne say NDC for there da bia o bible m say odada fo no akofa atro techema e de ato nanu NDC for akofa atro techema de ato o man pese o mo dada Ghanaians e de o ma yi o ma dwene free no ma pa na dankwa akofo ado eye eti na anytime bia bo say ya no pese o mo divert the attention of Ghanaians because Ghanaians say indeed na dankwa akofo ado de nam kwan pa so e de ekobo sha so eti enya bibi ni divert the attention of Ghanaians say na ye be ka say na say ni say no o mo de afa ba Ghanaians say first na madwene o mo ye propaganda ni say Ghanaians are the same Ghanaians have come of age who dey atroch mo mu say indeed asema o ka enya no kre eti esra mo NDC for there mummo mu nsem nyina ngu
meda say neat 100.9 FM 19 waso egu awutie no
Utie oha extra ponk no
Neat FM.